Here I come.
Hey, mister. You came up. I have to thank you for all your love support. Because without it, I wouldn't be here on this big singing. I mean, you're so nice. Everyone. And I want to thank you. I'd like to sing my debut single. Over here, baby.
You said over here, baby.
Over here, baby.
God, she's cute.
Over here.
Oh! Kiss me! Oh. Oh, fuck! Oh.
How dare you do this to me?
I hit that with the frying pan. That's pretty good.
What gives you the right to ruin a monkey's dream?
Do you have something against pup stuff?
I'll be the next buckwheat sensation!
What the fuck is this? Fuck! Fucking gonna hit her with this shit. Fucking piece of shit. How many times is that gonna happen? My god, dude. This is more frustrating than like all of like Majora's Mask put together. Cause he's not like a hard boss, he's just fucking stupid. How much life blocks has it taken off? Every time I run into this stupid thing. Now it's gonna push me back. Look at this. And I gotta sit here and wait for this shit again. Garah! Garah! And the fact that I can't just jump up there the first one jump, I have to make it a double jump. Oh my god, dude. I have to make it a double jump and hold onto the ledge on this jump. It's fucking stupid. Cause that gives her enough time to fucking run away, so I can't hit her. Propeller was full of shit.